Welcome to the new presentation of Guru School. And in this Guru School lesson, I'm going to go ahead and talk about display ad. Till now, we were learning about search ads. Now, from now onwards, I'll be talking about display ads, right? So what are the display ads, how we can run it, and everything about display ad we're going to learn from now onwards. All right. So first of all, let's learn that what is display ad. So basically display ad, you can say it's a kind of ad. Whenever you run any program or whenever you search something, you see a different icon or you see a different banner on different person website. Suppose if you are scrolling, you are just doing cyber surfing, and on that surfing you will see some ads like maybe of Flipkart or Myntra. Whenever suppose you are scrolling your Instagram and you're watching these ads, your banners, these are called display ads. So if you also want to run display ads on your own website or on your own application, then you have to be registered on Google AdSense. I'm not talking about AdWords, I'm talking about AdSense. Suppose I'm running my Guru School application and I want that for my extra income, I want that I can show different person ads who are registered with Google only. I'm talking about the Google. So what you need to do is you need to register yourself on Google AdSense, and once the Google have an ad for you, they will let you know and they will show they will show the ad on your website. What you need to do is you need to give some portion to Google, and that's it. Right? This was all about if you want to show ad on your own website. Now, there's a different case. Suppose if you want to show your own ad to different particular website. Suppose I want to show my Guru School's app Guru School's ad on different websites. Suppose I say, different website. You can say on Myntra, on Flipkart, whatever. So what I'll do is I'll register myself on Google AdSense and I'll say Google that please show my ad on this particular Flipkart or Myntra. Google will show my ad only at that time once if I'm saying that I want to show my ad on Myntra. If Myntra is registered on Google AdWords, on Google AdSense actually, then only my ad will show on Myntra because I approached Google, right? So if you want to show your ad on different application, that application must be registered to Google AdSense. And if you want to show your ad to different particular, particular person's display ad on your website, what you need to do is you yourself need to register on Google AdSense. Very simple criteria, right? Now, the criteria is how the display ad works. Let's see about that as well. So now let's check how display ad work. It's very simple. Whatever you write on Google, whatever you see on Google, or whatever you search, or what kind of pages do you like, what kind of pages do you want to spend more time on. So these are the data which Google knows about you, right? So basically, this is how your display ad relates to you. Suppose if I'm a shopaholic person and if I keep on shopping, so I'll get to see the, a brand's ad or maybe the Myntra, the Flipkart, these kinds of ads I'll be getting. Or suppose if I am a makeup lover, then what I'll do is what kind of ads I'll be seeing. I'll be seeing about the foundation, the concealer, and so many things, right? About the Nika or about the beauty products, about the K by Katrina, anything, right? It could be anything. So this is how your display ads work. Suppose this is how you get the ads and how you can display it. Suppose you want to create an ad on flowers, or suppose I want to create an ad on beauty products. What I'll do is I'll create a content and submit it to Google. Now it's the responsibility of Google. My ad will reach to those person who search for beauty products or who likes the beauty product. What my part is, I need to use that particular things in my copy, on my content. Google will search all those people which sites are related with makeup products, with beauty products, or which has a term of beauty, right? My ad will run on these websites, on these pages, on these applications. Now, main thing. In the display ads, there are no match type. The keywords are no match type. They are like broad match. Alright. How? Suppose your keyword is beauty. I understand you can use the beauty, but with the beauty you will use something else. Suppose beauty products, beauty, glow and beauty, whatever it is, you will use something else as well with the beauty, right? So your keyword could not be the match type in your display ads. It will always be broad match, right? This is how the display ad work. Now there is a question arises, should we be using display ads or not? So for running display ads, of course, there are two criteria. First, if you want to show your display ad to cold audience. Second, it could be criteria that you want to show your display ad for remarketing purpose. So first, let's talk about remarketing purpose. Remarketing purpose is the best thing for display ad. I would highly recommend you for remarketing, go for display ads. Because why? Those people have already been visited to your web page. They have already been like little bit aware about your products. They are little bit know you. So there is there is good chances that you will get a good response on display ads in remarketing. Because what they'll think is, okay, this is the ad which we are seeing again and again, which means this is something which we want, right? Second, there is cold audience. Cold audience, I would not recommend you to go for display ads, because cold audience are those audience with whom you have not interacted yet. Those are your cold audience. Suppose I am here and I am interested in beauty products. And if you are showing me for cricket, of course, that's not me. I would definitely ignore it. That's not my purpose. That's not what I like. I'm the cold audience for you then, right? So I would recommend you not to go for cold audience. But yes, for the remarketing purpose, there is a good chance. Why? Because suppose I am interested in beauty products and I have already been visited to your website. If you are showing me your display ad and if you are showing me that you have a good deal, why would not I visit to your ad? And why would not I go to your web page again? There is so many chances, right? But with the cold audience, again, no. A big capital, whatever it is, do the underline, do the italic as well. But no. You can do this if you have a good budget, just like Amazon, Flipkart, Mantra. If you have a good budget like them, then of course you can go for cold audience too. But in the very starting point, no. If you want to start with display ad, then go for remarketing. Create your search ad and then go for remarketing and then go for display ad. This is what I recommend you and this is what I do. Even I do not target my cold audience. I do not target the cold audience. I always use my display ads for remarketing purpose. Not more than that. For cold audience, if you want, you can go for Facebook ads, you can go for YouTube ads, you can go for search ads, but not the display ad. And if you're not aware about the Facebook ads, that's okay. We have a good course of Facebook ads too, which I have also covered on this. I have covered that course. So if you want, you will be getting the description. You will be getting the link in the description. So yeah, you can enroll in this course as well. That's totally up to you. But again, I'm saying do not go for display ad for cold audience, right? So this is how your display ad, this is what your display ad, and this is how it works, and this is how, should we be running the display ad or not, right? We will go in depth too again for display ads. This is just an overview for display ads, because that's how I'm going to start your display ads from the very scratch. Like even if you don't know about the D of a display ad, that's all right. I'm here to train you out, right? So yeah, be ready for display ads. From now onwards, we will be discussing about the display ads, and yeah, create some copy for it. get some copy, get some ideas, because we'll be creating it. All right. That's it for now. And I'll see you in the next lecture with new topic.